Hi guys, so this is my analysis on Ethereum. What am I seeing on Ethereum? If you watch my previous analysis on Ethereum, we can see Ethereum is currently on a downtrend. And what am I seeing on Ethereum? What I'm seeing on Ethereum is we can see there's an impulse, a correction, a continuation, and I was expecting my continuation move to my target. If you know, when watching my fib analysis video, you know that my target is always around my negative 27%. That is my first target, and sometimes I target my negative 61.8% as well, and that always correlates with like the price action or like my trend line or like a market structure for me to now target that negative 61.8. but majority of the time I target my negative 27% fib level first. So as you can see, I targeted around that level that we might get to my negative 61.8, my negative 2.7% level, which is 1690, before we now push to the upside or we continue to the downside. But as you can see, the market did not actually get around that level, which is fine. Like I said, no one can predict the market 100%, and it doesn't go our way 100%. So we can see right at this level right here, we can see there was a breakout structure around that level and it's retracing. I'm seeing more of like a bearish move of pattern. We can see an impulse here, a correction, like a rectangular correction right here. Then I'm expecting a bit of like a correction, an impulse to the upside. So this is what I am seeing as of right now on Ethereum, and the pattern forming. Anything can change, but as of right now, this is the pattern I'm seeing. So because we are around like this and the pattern is forming more of like a bullish pattern, I see a possible move to the upside to give us a third touch of a trend line for me from 1 to 3. And after the third touch of a trend line, there's a possibility that we might still come down here for my overall target, which is my negative 27% fib level. I am seeing that to be a possibility. So because I'm seeing that, let me draw my fib around that area. Perfect. So we can see around this area right here, right? So what are we seeing? Because what am I now expecting right now? These are my current targets on the bullish move I'm expecting. My first target always my negative 27%, and my second target is my negative 61% fib level around this trend line right here. So what am I expecting right now based on this? We can see that we might actually get to my negative 61.8 by this time, and because we can see right around this level right here, there is an imbalance that needs to be filled around that area. So that's a possible that's a possibility that we might push to my negative 61.8, but my first target is my negative 27% around that area. So what do I think I'm possible? We might still push down a little bit because, you know, I like the retracement. So there's a possibility that we might push to my deep retracement, which is around my 88.6% fib level and my 78.6% fib level, before we continue to push to the upside. So as long as we did not break this structure right here, there's no breakout structure right at this level right here, we can still push to the downside. And if you see a breakout structure around that area, then it will be my overall target that I am target that I have always think we might go to. So this is my predictions right as of right now. I can say that I'm predicting it to at least maybe around here, that we can now push to the downside. Let me change the color of that. So because I'm still predicting it to come to the side, but let's see how it goes. And like I said, if we break this structure right here, then I see a possible move that we might continue to push to the downside right here. So but as of right now, just because of what I'm currently saying, I see a little bit more of like a bullish push before a bearish move. So that is just my overall analysis on Ethereum. So hope this is insightful, guys, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, comment and like, and I will see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching, guys.